Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily install and play War Machines on PC. So the first thing that you want to do is click on the link down below in the description. It's going to be the first link. When you're going to do it, you'll end up right here to Ldplayer, and Ldplayer is an amazing tool that is going to help you install War Machines. So click down on Ldplayer, and when you're going to have it, you need to install it. So you're going to come here to Ldplayer, download Ldplayer, and you're going to open it. You're going to choose where you want to install the game, and when you're going to find where you want to install it, then it's going to download for you, and it's going to also install for you, and then you're going to have the Play Store. So War Machines, and you want to log into your Google Play account, Home, System App, Play Store, War Machines, and click Play. And to actually use it, you come here to keyboard on the right side. You're gonna add like this, click save, and you see we can move with VASD. We're gonna aim with the right mouse, so you're moving with the right mouse. I'm holding the right mouse, and then you're gonna choose a fire, so press and hold fire like this, and bam. And that's how we're gonna do it, right? Okay, and now you see that we have and this is how you can easily play it. You can zoom here also. And yeah, have a great day guys, and goodbye. See ya.